Brought to you by नोवा शुद्ध घी।
जब जब खाए दिल खुश हो जाए, सदियों का
नोवा शुद्ध देसी घी, सपना स्वस्थ भारत का।
I love घी 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 घी।
एयरफोर्स डे से पहले भारतीय वायुसेना के प्रमुख एपी सिंह ने सालाना प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की। इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान वायुसेना प्रमुख से एक ऐसा सवाल हुआ जिसका उन्होंने बेहद ही करारा जवाब दिया है। दरअसल यह सवाल हुआ एलन मस्क के उस बयान के बाद जिसमें उन्होंने ये कहा था कि आने वाले दशकों में लड़ाकू विमान जिसमें ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन की जरूरत है उसका रेलेवेंस खत्म हो जाएगा। जब वायुसेना प्रमुख से इस सवाल का जवाब पूछा गया तो उन्होंने ये कहा है कि एलन मस्क एक बिजनेसमैन है, इसलिए वो इस तरह की बातें करते हैं। लेकिन उन्होंने आगे क्या कुछ कहा है ये सुनना बेहद दिलचस्प है।
Sir, my question is about the future investments of the Indian Air Force. So fighter jets have, for a century at least now, formed the backbone of fighter forces around the world. But many have questioned the viability of fighters in future, let's say 2 decades in future, including Elon Musk. So while yes, we are investing in the fighter jet technology and that will show result in about a decade or so, what is the, how are we planning for UCAVs and UAVs that can be bought at much lesser cost and in much more larger numbers?
The second question was about the relevance of fighters. I forget who you asked. So you see, at the moment there are 3 or 4 major programs which are going on in the world, which they're calling the 6th gen aircraft program, NGAD, and other different names. Now, all of them are manned. So, actually speaking, the importance of man, as of now, as I can see in foreseeable future, I'm not talking about just 8-10 years, even beyond that, is not going to fade away. Yes, there are more and more automation coming in, more and more AI, with that part coming in. There will be, unmanned systems that will be available. But those unmanned systems have to work in collaboration with the manned system or have to be controlled by a man. Some decisions loop mein man ko rehna zaruri hai. So relevance of fighters will remain in the years to come. Yes, what Elon Musk is talking about, Elon Musk is a businessman. He will talk about it like that because he himself is running a business. But his cars, now you see how many of them are there on the road. I'm talking about just a simple car. So when it comes to war fighting, I don't think we can just say that it will happen, that my next generation will see only unmanned by the end of their tenure. It will not happen like that. So manned platforms will remain. Yes, we have to work towards even unmanned systems because certain areas where you don't want to risk human life, where you require some unmanned systems, certain areas where they can be ahead of your systems. So the work is on towards that, like a lot of R&D projects are on. Of course, as far as normal UAVs are concerned and combat capable UAVs are concerned, weapon capable, I'm saying, those processes are also in place. But UCAV program is also already, DRDO program, Ghatak is on. So we are fully supporting that. And we know that that has to be a part of our whole scheme of things. And that vision document 2047 also talks about that. But taking fighters out will not happen.
वायुसेना प्रमुख ने साफ कर दिया है कि भले ही दुनिया मानव रहित विमानों की तरफ कदम बढ़ा रही है, ऐसे ड्रोन्स तैयार कर रही है जिसमें ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशंस की जरूरत नहीं है और वो स्वतः संचालित हों, लेकिन आने वाले दशकों में भी लड़ाकू विमान की जरूरत होगी जिसे खुद पायलट उड़ाए, उसके बिना काम नहीं चलेगा। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, भारत तक।